Hello. Welcome to Grammar with Ganesh. This is Ganesh. We are learning the parts of speech. Previously we learned about nouns, pronouns, verbs, and now we are at the adverbs part. Adverb, as I told you friends, adverb is a word which tells us something more about the verb, that is action part, how the action is going on. This tells adverb. Okay, an adverb is a word which tells us something more about the verb. See, the verb, adjective, or some other adverb. These three things we have to keep into mind. Adverb tells us something more about the verb, adjective, or adverb. With few examples, one by one, I will explain you how the adverb tells us something more about the verb. For example, the traveler walked quickly. The traveler walked quickly. How the traveler walked quickly? Means here, quickly is the adverb. Second example about adjective. Today I faced very difficult situation. In this difficult situation, how is the situation? Difficult situation. This is adjective. And here, very. Today I faced very difficult situation. Very is the adverb which explains the adjective. And now, third one. She faced the interview quite confidently or so confidently. This quite or so, this explains another adverb, that is confidently. Here, she faced the interview quite confidently. Quite tells us about her confidence, that is adverb, another adverb. Okay, there are few types of adverbs which we will look one by one. What is adverb of manner? Next is place, time, frequency, degree, interrogative, affirmation, exclamatory, relative. Okay, these are the adverbs. We will go one by one. Okay. See friends, adverb means you have to just keep into mind that the word which explains more about the verb. Here, in adverb of manner, how an action is performed. This manner will be told by adverb of manner. For example, he worked quickly today. How does he work? He worked quickly today. Or he walked fast. How does he walk? He walked fast. Means manner of walking. For example, quietly, fast. These are the manner of adverbs. It is telling how the action is performed. Second, adverb of place. Here, it will tell you where the action is performed. Means at which, at where, at what place. For example, here and there. These two words will tell you where the action was performed. For example, let's go there. He is sitting there. He is coming from there. These are the examples of adverb of place. Okay. Now, adverb of time. Adverb of time, it will tell you when does the action was performed. Means at what time action was performed. For example, the match will be played today. The match was cancelled today. This today, yesterday, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, all these will tell you about the adverb of time. Friends, coming to the next adverb of frequency. This adverb of frequency will tell us how the action is performed. Means how many times the action was performed. For example, frequency: thrice, twice, usually, daily, often, always, sometimes. All these words are the examples of frequency of the actions performed. For example, John studies daily. John studies daily. Means here, daily the activity is performed. Okay. Yeah, then adverb of degree. This adverb of degree will tell us about the question how much. Means how much action was performed. How much. Means full action was performed or half action was performed. This degree of action will be told us by this adverb of degree. For example, totally or almost. The action was almost done. He almost reached to the place. Glass is full of water. Okay, these are the examples. Coming to the next, interrogative adverbs. Interrogative or adverbs. You have to keep into mind this interrogative adverb because it will help to tell us the answer to the question, or it will help us to ask the question why, when. Okay, like this. For example, when did the train arrive? When did the train arrive? Why is the train late today? This is short. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions. Okay. For example, when did the train arrive, or why is the train late? Also, this interrogative adverb is so important to ask the questions about above 5 adverbs. Means it will be helpful to ask the question about the manner, about adverb of place, time, frequency, degree. Please keep into mind this one. It is very, very important. And next to adverb of affirmation. Okay, this will help us to know the assertion or denial in a sentence. For example, affirmation: certainly or not. These words will help us, that adverb of affirmation or not. He will certainly help us. He will certainly help us. The words of affirmation, which is certainly. I am not willing to accept this job. I am not willing to accept this job. This denial means affirmation and denial in a sentence will help us to understand the adverb of affirmation or adverb. Next, exclamatory adverbs. Exclamatory adverbs are the adverbs like how, what in a sentence, in exclamatory sentences. Like how cleverly she acted, how beautifully she danced, what a dance she did. In the sentences, after the exclamation mark, you will come to know that this is the sentence type of exclamatory sentence. And in these sentences, how, what, these are the adverbs of exclamatory types. Okay. Then relative adverb. Here, in this relative adverb, the adverb relates to the antecedent. This adverb, it will relate to antecedent noun. For example, I will tell you, I rested whenever I got an opportunity. I rested whenever I got an opportunity. This whenever, it also joins two sentences. It is also called as conjunction. This adverb, it relates to the noun. Okay. Look, another example. I parked the car where you had instructed me. I parked the car where you had instructed me. This where, it denotes that there is some relation to the antecedent, previous noun. This is called relative adverb, this where. And finally, some adverbs modify the whole sentence. The adverbs, for example, accidentally two cars came to face, or luckily she was not much hurt. In these sentences, luckily or accidentally, these two types, in these two sentences, if we see, luckily the she was not much hurt. Okay, luckily she was not much hurt. This will modify the whole sentence. Okay. Okay, this is only for your information. This one modify the whole sentences, and only you have to keep into mind in a very simple way the types of the adverbs, which are simple adverbs, interrogative adverbs, relative adverbs, and adverbs in a sentence. Means, as I told you, interrogative adverbs, this will be helpful in asking question with reference to these 5 adverbs. And relative adverbs means it will relate to the previous noun, that is antecedent in a sentence. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will be moving ahead. In the next episode, next chapter, we will move to another one parts of speech. Thanks so much. Till then, bye bye.